In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. Accidentally deleting an important message happens to everyone, and the good news is that Gmail usually gives you a few different ways to get it back, as long as you act quickly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, explain what's going on behind the scenes, and share a few tips to avoid losing emails in the future. First, open your browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look at the menu on the left side. If you don't see all the options, click on More to expand the full list of folders. Here, you're looking for the Trash folder, which is where deleted emails are stored temporarily. Click on Trash. Every email you've deleted in roughly the last 30 days will appear here, unless you've already emptied this folder. Scroll through the list and look for the message you want to recover. If there are a lot of emails, you can use the search bar at the top and type in a keyword, the sender's name, or part of the subject line, then press Enter. Just make sure you're searching Mail and Spam and Trash if that option appears, so Gmail checks all relevant folders. Once you find the email you want to bring back, click to open it, or simply check the box next to it. At the top of the page, you'll see an icon that looks like a folder with an arrow or a Move To option. Click that, then choose Inbox, or any other folder where you'd like this message to live. As soon as you do that, Gmail will move the email out of Trash and back into your account, and it will no longer be automatically deleted after the 30-day window. If you don't see your email in Trash, check the Spam folder as well, just in case Gmail filtered it incorrectly. The process to move it back is exactly the same. Select the email, then move it to your inbox or another label. Keep in mind, emails that have been permanently deleted from Trash, or that are older than the automatic retention period, usually can't be recovered through normal settings. That's why it's a good habit to avoid emptying your Trash too often, and to create labels or stars for important conversations so they're easier to find. And that's it. You've learned how to recover deleted emails in Gmail using the Trash folder and basic search.